You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan, the Illinois and Indiana shores, and the Chicago area. The current time is 5:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, minor river flooding will continue along the Illinois River near LaSalle. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday, limited severe thunderstorm risk in the evening. Monday, limited thunderstorm risk. Tuesday, limited severe thunderstorm risk. Limited flooding risk. Wednesday and Thursday, limited thunderstorm risk. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Illinois nearshore waters of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of Lake Michigan. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday, limited severe thunderstorm risk in the evening. Tuesday, hazardous conditions for small craft are likely. Limited severe thunderstorm risk. Wednesday, limited thunderstorm risk. Thursday, hazardous conditions for small craft are likely. Limited thunderstorm risk. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, KWO39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan and the Illinois and Indiana shores, 24 hours a day, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. From our transmitter high atop Willis Tower. This station will also broadcast severe weather events for southern Lake Michigan, Lake, Cook, and DuPage counties in Illinois, and Lake and Porter counties in Indiana. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Romeoville, Illinois. For the complete Chicago metro area weather broadcast, tune to KZZ 81, Lockport, on frequency 162.425, or KXI 41, Crystal Lake, on frequency 162.500. Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago. At 5 p.m. at O'Hare Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 67 degrees. The dew point was 36. And the relative humidity was 31%. The wind was northeast at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.04 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region, it was 57 at Chicago's lakefront. It was sunny with a temperature of 63 at Racine, 66 at Kenosha, and 62 at Waukegan. Under sunny skies, Chicago Executive Airport reported 66, DuPage Airport reported 70, and Gary reported 61. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 65 at Midway Airport, 64 at Milwaukee Airport, and 62 at Lansing. At Benton Harbor, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 59. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was 67, under mostly sunny skies. At Milwaukee's harbor entrance, winds were southeast, at 4 knots. At the Kenosha harbor entrance, winds were southeast, at 2 knots. At the Muskegon entrance, winds were northwest, at 16 knots. In open waters, at the North Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south, at 10 knots. Waves were 1 foot. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, partly cloudy. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s, inland in the lower 70s near the lake. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s inland, in the upper 50s near the lake. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Monday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Highs around 70 inland in the lower 60s near the lake. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Tuesday, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of precipitation 80%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Wednesday, partly cloudy in the morning, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Thursday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers in the evening, then mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Friday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, east winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Saturday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots veering to northwest 10 to 20 knots. Chance of rain showers in the evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots becoming east. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Monday, east winds 10 to 15 knots becoming northeast. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Monday night, east winds 10 to 20 knots becoming southeast. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, southeast winds 15 to 25 knots. Showers. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots becoming south. Chance of showers. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan south. Tonight, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots becoming east. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, east winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Saturday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots veering to north 10 to 20 knots. Showers likely in the evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday, north winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Sunday night, north winds 10 to 20 knots becoming northeast 10 to 15 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Monday, east winds 10 to 15 knots increasing to 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, east winds 10 to 20 knots becoming southeast 15 to 25 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, southeast winds 15 to 25 knots becoming south. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots becoming south. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles ashore on Lake Michigan for the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Tonight, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming east after midnight. Mostly clear. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southeast in the afternoon. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots overnight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Decreasing cloudiness. Waves 1 to 2 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles ashore on Lake Michigan for the following: Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Tonight, north winds 5 to 10 knots becoming east after midnight. Mostly clear. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southeast in the evening. Partly cloudy. Waves around 1 foot. Saturday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots overnight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Waves around 1 foot. Sunday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Decreasing cloudiness. Waves 1 to 2 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Lake Michigan water temperatures: Chicago Shore, 55. Chicago Crib, 54. Winthrop Harbor Buoy, 48. Michigan City, 51. North Mid Lake Buoy, 40. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan, the Illinois and Indiana shores, and the Chicago area. The current time is 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time.